Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who creates content for a living, whether you're an SEO expert, marketer, blogger, or just trying to build your brand online, this video is going to be a game changer for you. I recently stumbled upon something that honestly blew my mind, and today I want to share it with you because it could completely change the way you approach content creation and SEO. So let's talk about how search has evolved. For the longest time, Google was the king of online discovery. If you wanted to be found, you optimized for Google. But things are shifting, and they're shifting fast. Now, it's not just about showing up in traditional search engine results. AI-powered search is here, and it's already reshaping how content gets discovered. In fact, Google itself has started putting AI-generated answers right at the top of search results, even before regular organic links. That tells you everything you need to know about where search is heading. Here's the thing. The old tricks just don't work anymore. You can't rely on spinning up generic low-effort content and hope it ranks. Search engines have become smarter, and they now prioritize people-first content. That means content that demonstrates real experience, true expertise, clear authority, and most importantly, trust. These are deeply human traits. Traditional AI tools struggle here because they rely entirely on their pre-existing training data, which often ends up producing content that feels robotic, outdated, and frankly, not that helpful. But what if you could flip the script? What if there was a way to use AI not just for basic writing, but for transforming real human-generated insights into powerful, high-ranking articles? That's exactly what I found with a tool called Articalize. It's not just another AI writer. It's like having a smart assistant that listens to what's happening in the world in real time, finds what matters, and turns it into content that actually gets attention. Articleize can take almost anything and turn it into an article. And I'm not exaggerating here. You can plug in a YouTube video, like this one, and it will extract the transcript, then rewrite it into a full article with structure, flow, and SEO optimization already baked in. It works with podcasts, social media posts, community discussions on platforms like Reddit and Quora, even trending threads and expert posts on LinkedIn. That means you're never starting from scratch. You're building on real conversations, real insights, and turning them into fresh, relevant content. One of my favorite things is how it keeps everything fresh. Because Articleize pulls from live content and real-time data, the articles it creates feel current, not canned. That's one of the reasons why it performs so well with AI-powered search engines. These platforms reward relevance and freshness, and that's something most other AI tools can't deliver. And yes, it's totally original. Articleize doesn't copy and paste. It transforms. So your content is unique, passes plagiarism checks, and even sails through AI detection systems with no problem. Plus, it comes with a built-in AI editor that lets you tweak your content, check grammar, improve clarity, or change the tone to fit your brand voice. You can even brainstorm new angles or expand ideas directly in the tool. And get this, it doesn't stop at text. Articleize also generates visuals to go with your article. So whether you need blog headers, social media graphics, or simple illustrations, it's got you covered. It also supports multiple languages. So if you're trying to reach a global audience or cater to local markets, you can translate and localize your articles easily. Another thing I really like is how it integrates directly with platforms like WordPress and Tumblr. With a single click, you can publish your content directly from Articleize to your blog. That saves so much time and removes the need for switching between tools. Now here's the kicker. Right now, Articleize is available at a special price, and they're even offering a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it out, see what it does for your content workflow, and if it's not for you, there's zero risk. Honestly, I've tried a lot of content tools over the years, but this one stands out. It's not just smarter, It's built for how content works today and where search is heading tomorrow. If you're serious about ranking, visibility, and creating content that actually connects with people, I highly recommend giving it a shot. That's it from me today. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any questions you have. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.